You're looking forward to not being mayor?
Yeah.
What's going on, buddy? Sully Ecker here, and I don't even know what to say about this. I really don't. I just I don't know. Tell me how you feel about this in the comment section below, and tell me what you think about what this mayor says. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, and I'm out of here. Sully Ecker, deuces.
I'm concerned every single day. There's not an event or a day where I don't lay on my back at night, look at the ceiling, and worry about stuff. So everything we have in the city over the last 7 years, I worry about. I don't enjoy 4th of July. I don't enjoy the Democratic National Convention. I didn't enjoy the NFL draft. I'm waiting for something bad to happen all the time. So I'll be happy when I'm not here, when I'm not mayor, and I can enjoy some stuff.
You're looking forward to not being mayor?
Yeah.
You're looking forward to not being mayor?
Yeah.